my channel and happy Tuesday. I was going to do a tutorial Tuesday video, but I decided I'm just going to go ahead and do my monthly plan with me in my happy planner just so that you guys can start doing this planner with me. And I had a little scare. My phone stopped working for a good while, and then I just kind of like let it be, and I'm like trying to work on ordering a new one, and then it came on and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the time for me to film my video before it dies on me again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order a new phone, that way I don't have this issue. But I'm gonna do this and hopefully my phone does not die on me. So let's go ahead and get started. I already did my spread for this week in my Paper Sunday planner, and this is my spread. So I just used this gorgeous like washi tape that was in the box that Claudia had sent me. It's so pretty. It almost looks like leaves, and I just did a combination of like large flowers, and I don't know, I love it. I think it looks so cute, even though like the washi doesn't match. I feel like the green with the green part of the washi matches, and then the black and the black, and then I don't know, I really love how this looks. So that's my spread. And I don't know if I'm going to decorate this. Maybe I'll do something really quick. And then here is my April for my happy planner. This is my new planner for my YouTube and social media. This is my work planner, and I'm so excited. And then you guys will see on April 1st, I'm going to be working in my plum planner, which will be my new personal planner. So let's go ahead and start with this one. I'll keep this one really simple. I have these super cute stickers that someone I think had sent me in some Happy Mail, and I love these. These are like an Easter theme, and these are so cute, and I'm going to use these for my happy planner. I thought, why not? It's going to be Easter month. So for this one, I think I'm just going to do basic washi. So I think I'm going to use the purple for that one, and then for this one, I think I'm going to do the pink one. So let's go ahead and do that. And I think I'm just going to fold it. I think it'll be easier for me to do it that way. Now that I don't have nails, it's going to be a little harder. Alright, perfect. So we're just going to continue with the pink all straight through. And like I said, I was going to do a tutorial Tuesday video, but I'm like, you know, now that I have like all these new planners, I might as well just do my monthly plan with me's. I'm gonna try to get into the habit of doing them. I know I kind of like slipped off a little bit there, but I want to do my monthly plan with me's, especially now that I have like nice large space. So I'm gonna do that, and then you guys will, you know, and then I wanted to share with you guys how I'm gonna like be using my plum planner. So that will be in another video to come on April 1st. Since that's when I'm going to start using it. So then let's go ahead and add some right here. Look at how cute that is. And you can just add like little bit of stickers and you are good to go. This really doesn't need much. I'm going to try to remember the days. So April 1st is obviously April Fool's. Then we have Good Friday on this week. So they actually extended our stay-at-home order, and now we're going to be home until April 30th. Oh my gosh, this thing with the coronavirus is just, it's scary how bad it's spreading, and Illinois has like a lot of, they're saying we're the next New York. I don't know, that's just, that sounds so scary. So on the 22nd is Earth Day. So remember to recycle all the time, help our earth. And yeah, it's just it's really crazy. So they actually, the governor is setting out a new like packet for all grades, because you know this is so long for them to be out of school. So I printed the packet out, and my daughter's gonna be doing some homework. She obviously didn't like that, but she gotta do what she gotta do. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add a few of these stickers. This is the holiday stickers from the Happy Planner. Oh, I placed an order for Joann's. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I can't wait for it to come in. I ordered, I think, 3 Happy Planner books, and what else did I order? A micro notes and the Happy Planner half size notebook. And I think that's it. No, there might be something else in there. But once that order comes in, I will definitely share it with you guys. So do I need to? I don't think I need to put my day. Just because that's already like on there. We're good on that. Let's do this super cute Easter egg hunt one because it's nice and pink. We'll put it right here. Just like that. And then we'll do church, although technically, you know, there's no services going on. Again, I hope you guys are all staying safe. Let's see, spring bucket list. I don't need to add that one. I thought there was something with like bunnies. Let's add this carrot. How cute is that? Alright, so I guess we're just gonna add our last few eggs. We'll just put this one right here. And then we'll put this one up here. There we go. Right? Super simple, but very cute. I think that's it for that one, unless I want to add anything in here. I love the sticker book. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. It's gorgeous. Everything about it, every single page. So pretty. Let's add some flowers. Cute. Why not? Let's add this one. Make it balloon. And then I think we should be perfect. Alright, that's super cute. Very simple, but still oh so adorable. I love it. And then my week is ready. So this one is all set and good to go. That's what my last spread looked like. I don't have anything on Sunday because that's my day off. I don't have to work that day. Alright, let's move in here. I like that you can take out the pages. I've never really like experienced that in a planner except for like a ring planner. It's really cool though. I'm going to use the purple washi tape, wherever it is. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pop some music on just because this washi tape is probably going to take me forever. And I hope you guys enjoy it. There we have it with all the washi tape on there. It looks so cute. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding my stickers. I'm gonna leave the dates as is. I'm not gonna add any additional dates to it or any additional date covers. We're just gonna start throwing some stickers on here, and I'm definitely gonna use this large one right here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You'll probably see me use it more than once because, I mean, why not, right? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Obsessed. We definitely gotta use the little egg that's hatched. We'll put them right here. Oh, so pretty. And this little lamb or llama, whatever you want to call her, just broke her part of her face. They're gonna be best friends. How cute is that? And then let's go ahead and add the little jelly beans. Are so cute. There's words on here, which is also really nice. The macaroons are cute. Okay, what do I want to use next? Oh, we got to use her. We're going to use this one again. We're going to add our bunny. I'm obsessed, you guys. So pretty. Let's put her down here. And then we're going to use one of these bunnies. Let's use this one. Maybe we can pop them right here. Right in between the Tuesday and the Monday. And then let's put this one that says "Some Bunny Loves You." We'll put it right here. Happy Easter. We'll put this one next to our bunny. And then what do we have here? Exquisite. Oh, there's like something for everything. We'll put our exquisite right here because, you know, it has a little egg. And then we'll put our so sweet for our super cute llama or lamb. Oh, I love that. Then we're going to go ahead and also add a couple of jelly beans because why not? They look like they're dancing. Put another. Oh, this has got to be my favorite so far. How stinking cute. They look like they are having a blast. Let's put a purple one. They come off decent too, and they're nice and sticky. Yay, let's put him right here. Oh, so cute. And then let's go ahead and add a tiny Easter egg right here. Right? And then let's add a bow somewhere. Where's the bows? Let's give her a bow because why not? She looks fabulous. I mean, she looks like she has eyelashes, so that's cute. Let's put a carrot here, a carrot there, a carrot everywhere. Sorry. I'm having fun with this one. This is a really cute sticker collection. Alright, and then what else do we want to add? That's all, folks. Excellent. Let's do some words on this side. Perfect. Cool beans. Yes. Why not? And then let's go ahead and add Sweet Life right here. I think that's it, you guys. I think that is my monthly spread. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have that sticker book? Because if you don't, you need to go pick it up. You need it in your life. And as you can see, there's still plenty of more for me to be able to use in my other spreads. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Alright, let's just pop that in there. And there you have it, you guys. Those are my 2 monthly spreads in my Paper Sunday planner and in my Happy Planner. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay safe and you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. Check me out on Instagram and I'll see you guys on the next one.